Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Holy smokes, man. 3 videos in a row, we've been monetized, y'all have been killing it. As you know, my old YouTube videos weren't too YouTube friendly. We're really trying to clean up our acts here, and therefore we gotta pay the price of not getting monetized as much as we want. However, every time you guys leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below, it helps apparently, because I ask you to do it, and when you actually do it and the traffic is good or whatever, we get monetized. So thank you guys so much. If you guys want to do that again, smash the like button, hit a comment down below. Let's get some stuff going, some conversations, whatever. Anyway, thank you. Next, boys, don't skip this. You're gonna want to listen. It's gonna affect you in a good way. I don't know if you guys watched the last video. We did a huge unboxing of 15 jewelry items from the guys that call Gold Gods. They have the best quote-unquote fake jewelry on the market. Still trying to give it away. There's 15 pieces here. They're all super dope. I asked you guys last video to give it 5,000 thumbs up within the day, and I'll give this all away to one person. That didn't happen, so I'm gonna give you guys one more chance. If you guys want to win this, put a thumbs up. That's all you gotta do. Also, this video is not sponsored today, which honestly hasn't been a bad thing, because that lets us sponsor our own website, NameBranFam.com. Link is down below. If y'all want jewelry somewhat like this, it's not gonna be real. It's obviously gonna be fake, because I want to give you the best price possible. We got a ton of stuff, bro. We got a tennis chain that we just added on there. We've got a bunch of really dope rings, a bunch of other stuff, cool jewelry, and a little secret we don't tell you on the website. You can get 2 free things for the price of 1 shipping. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You guys have been killing that, and that's why we're getting into a really cool video, man. Oh my god. NameBranFam.com, links down below. Go check it out at least. I think the website looks kind of sick. So just hopping off right into it, man, you guys know that I really want to start putting out real jewelry videos, and it's obviously going to take time. Unboxing real jewelry costs a lot of money as opposed to the fake stuff we sometimes unbox. Both are dope. I personally really like my real stuff, as you guys know, because I tend to say it every video. I say, boys, because I don't want this stuff get confused here. I've spent a lot of money on what I have, so I always say, like, boys, just know that what I wear is real. For my own ego. I don't want this confused, and just know that, you know, because I want this to be known that I'm balling like this. But while I say that, there's a lot of comments. I'm saying at least a handful every video when I say that statement of whatever I wear is real. There's always some little gosh kid who is calling me out, man, being like, NameBran, your earrings aren't real, you idiot. I get it, man. I don't, but I guess I get it because I don't want you to make fun of me. Most times I forget that I even have earrings in. You know what I mean? I shouldn't be explaining myself to a 13-year-old kid behind his computer, but I'm doing it. I think that's what makes me great. I get hurt by everything. No, but anyway, I have actually been getting a hard time. It doesn't get to me at all, but I think it's kind of funny, actually, of people being like, not everything you rock is real, bro. Your earrings aren't real. You're correct. So therefore, we have a real earring unboxing. I've actually been really into looking at diamond earrings. It's something I never really thought that was affordable. Obviously, if you're gonna get an earring like this, I don't know if y'all could see, that's a big diamond. That would cost a lot and a lot of money. So I always kind of just like pass it off as like, yeah, I don't need real earrings. That's gonna be crazy for something that you can buy for like 20 bucks from the mall. Incorrect. I've been shopping around and I found earrings that I think I want for decent price, and they're diamond. So there you go, boys. And that one kid, you 13-year-old that keeps messaging me on Instagram, they're not real, bro. Not everything you wear is real. I got you, bro. Now it's gonna be real, and hopefully you get off my back. Anyway, real unboxing today, boys. Give a huge thumbs up if you guys really dig the real jewelry unboxing videos. All right, man, so we have the box right here. It's plastered with my address, so that's just what it is. And this is not sponsored. I will tell you, I got this from Mr. What is it? I got this from, oh god, this isn't good. It doesn't matter, they're not sponsoring it. Mr. Exclusive. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I hit him up, because I think I got these earrings for about $400 American-ish. I hit him up, and I said, man, I can sponsor a video for you if you want, or you can sponsor this video if you give me a little discount, and he said, absolutely not, dummy. He didn't say that, but they definitely weren't into it, which is fine, but we at least need to try, you know? So there's gonna be no link down below. They're not rocking with us that hard, nor do I give them fault for that. So let's get into it. I've been really stoked. I ordered these about a week ago, man. Sorry, I just have to unbox off camera, so you can't see my thing here. Here we go. Yeah, his card, cool, bro. Appreciate it. I'll send him this video, and hopefully it gets a lot of views. Give it a lot of thumbs up down below. Maybe he'll be like, huh, maybe we should give him some deals next time. Anyway, that's just a scheme I have in mind. Here we go. Boys, I have never seen in person, like in a mall or anything like that. Now, of course I have. I was gonna say real earrings. Of course I have. but not like with the hip hop style. That sounds bad because I'm so white, but of just like being like pretty dope diamonds. So once again, spent about 400 on it. Not too bad. I think for real diamonds, it's actually a real nice piece to have for the setup, I call this. So you guys let me know. First off, real cool box, not cool box. Sorry, I forgot they're not sponsoring this. Bad box. Let's just get into it, boys. I've got a diamond tester here. You guys know I broke the $500 one. I dropped it on concrete. I got a new one coming in, but we're gonna diamond test with this crappy $20 one. We'll get to that. Let's go. I'm so excited, man. I'm very excited. This is cool. Who has real earrings, you know? At least in Winnipeg, where I live. Wow. I did not know that these are the ones I got. I guess they are. They're big. Oh, buddy. They're quite large. I will say, this whole setup here, they got a light. Oh. I might have to, I'm gonna link these guys down below just for that. This isn't sponsored, but this is some good work. Look at the lighting. I might not even put them in my ears. I might just have them on display right at the front door when people walk in my house. Oh, you've got real sick earrings. Glad you noticed. What we got here, boys, is, I don't know what the carat is of gold, but it's gold with, I'm assuming SI diamonds, or else it would have said VS. If you guys know, the best is like VS, VVS, and then like, what's the other one? What's the other diamond one? It's not perfect. It's, there's a word for it. I wouldn't know because I can't afford it. What's that word? Doesn't matter. Oh, no, I'm actually, no, we're staying here until I figure this out. Excellent, perfect. I don't know, let's go back. I can't stay here that long. Anyway, these are SI, I'm assuming. Like my rings, to be honest. And let's check them out. Let's check them out. This is crazy. I'm very, very excited. But God, are they big. Actually, that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna compare the size to these ones in. These ones are already a little big in my ear, in my opinion. So this might be a huge mistake, now that I think about it. Flawless. Flawless diamonds, that's what it is. That's the best of the best. Thank God that came to me. That was gonna really annoy me. Anyway, yeah, this might be a huge mistake. These are big. They look dope, but I'm looking at them on the table and they're real big, and why won't this come off? All right, finally. Ow, ow, ow. All right, so this is the earring I have in right now. That's the size that, once again, I already said I thought were real big. Oh my God. Brandon, you idiot. I don't look at measurements when I'm buying things. Probably should start to. Just redid my kitchen, screwed up a lot of stuff because I didn't look up measurements, but it turned out all right, so hopefully this turns out all right. Anyway, real diamond right there. We're gonna diamond test it. First, I gotta put one of these puppies on. Actually, first we're gonna diamond test it. All right, man, craft diamond tester is all heated up. What we do is we set it to the 3-prong right there, just so you guys know it works, or what you're looking for at least. What you wanna see is red come up. Wow. So that's real. One more time. This is me flexing, by the way. That's real. So that's what we're looking for. Now, let's take this one right here. I have no doubt that it's not real because all they saw on their website is real stuff. Let's go right here. I actually found this guy. Bro. The diamonds are real small, so that sound is also it hitting metal. If you hit metal, it doesn't do anything. You know what I'm saying? But, so that's what that sound is, why it's different. But they are real. That's cool. We didn't get ripped off this time. Here comes looking at it in my ear. I think I'm gonna look like a chick, bro. These might be way too big. Nonetheless, I'm stoked. And then I'll just say, if this goes wrong, I'll just give them to my girlfriend and I'll be like, hey, I bought these for you. Hopefully she doesn't watch this video, but I'll play it off. I'll definitely play it off. Something good's gotta come out of that, and that'd be a nice night for Bran, that's for sure. All right, where's the hole? Oh no. Does it look dope? It's bigger than my damn earlobe, bro. And I've got some pretty solid earlobes. Hold on, let me just focus right there. Oh, buddy. Oh, no. This might be a huge mistake. Let me put 2 of them on. I'm gonna go look in the mirror real quick, and then we're gonna come back. All right, we're back real quick. I just looked in the mirror. I'm not even gonna bother putting the second one on. I hope there's returns, because I look like an absolute chick. It's huge. It's taking out my ear, bro. I was gonna say, I've got a lot of friends that are chicks that like usually pay attention to stuff more than guys that are like, oh, Brand, you got a new ring. They realize it. They get it. They see when things change. I was gonna wait and see if they were like, oh, you got new earrings. And I'd be like, what do you think about them? Are these sick or not? I don't even know if I want to do that challenge though, because they're just like, they're dope. If you've got giant earlobes. To me, this might be an L. Maybe there's returns, maybe there's not. I don't know, I'm gonna send him this video. Hopefully Mr. Exclusive feels bad, Mr. Exclusive himself, and then he says, Brian, you know what? let's exchange these for something that won't make you look like an absolute idiot. Dope, nonetheless. We can't, I gotta start going to real jewelry places, bro, so I can see things in hand, because this is just not gonna work out for me. Maybe I can cut it in half with a hot knife. Anyway, that's it. You guys let me know how you think it looks down below. I will not be offended if you think it looks bad, because I also think that it doesn't look good. It looks better on camera than it does in the mirror, that's for dang sure. Appreciate y'all for watching. Merc in the game, the greatest of all time. Next video, bro, it's gonna be another real jewelry unboxing from NameBran. The only jewelry reviewer on YouTube, as far as I know, at least at my size. So we're killing it, man, regardless. Blah.